Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove green screen in Capcut. You need to download Capcut first. So click Capcut, New Project, Photos. So here I chose this photo. Add one. And then this one. And then if you want to have that overlay, click overlay for the green screen, add overlay, and then choose this green screen. This is all from Pinterest. So yeah, you can pinch so that it can be full screen. And then to remove that green, you need to go to the cutout. And then chroma key, choose color green for color picker, and then intensity. It should be in 100. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.